I got the Samuel Garrett, the Airjet Zero Roll Train Engineer. I got a special President train car for you. You want to see it? Donald Trump's gonna ride on. This President Zero Roll Train car. Listen to this one. It's very important. Alright. He's ready to go. Are you ready to go see Donald Trump?
Yeah.
Alright. Fasten your seatbelts because Airjet has great full mass speed to see Donald Trump. All aboard! Here we go! Next up, Donald Trump, the President of the United States. Alright, we are on our way to see Donald Trump, the President of the United States. We're taking the interstate highway travel. Alright, yeah, Mr. Train Engineer. Yes, we are.
Alright.
We're traveling to the United States of America to see Donald Trump. Listen to that cool Airjet Zero Roll Train sound, the train engineer. Now, Americans on the Airjet Zero Roll Train, Americans on the Airjet Zero Roll Train engineer, so I can drive the road train in my mind. Here we are. Interstate highway's over. Let's exit. The Airjet Zero Roll Train diesel engines now turned off. Listen to that turn off sound. It's hard. Over here, Donald Trump, the President of the United States. It's me, the Airjet Zero Roll Train Express. We're always here to see Donald Trump, children. You got to see Donald Trump.
Yeah, I love Donald Trump.
Are you gonna love the Donald Trump?
Yeah.
Now remember, children, you're on your best behavior. You gotta see Donald Trump's gonna listen to instructions, okay? Now remember, do not destroy the Zebra Road Train. What did it say?
Do not destroy the Airjet Zero Train Express.
Correct, children. That's what I want to hear. I mean, that's what I like to hear. Here we are. Hi, Donald Trump. Welcome aboard the Zebra Road Train Express. I'm the Airjet Zebra Road Train engineer. This is my President of the United States Zebra Road Train car. Welcome aboard. It's good to see you, Sam. Nice to meet you, Sam. I'm Donald Trump. How are you? I'm the Airjet Zebra Road Train engineer. I can drive Zebra Road Train Express. Nice to meet you. Children, this is Donald Trump. Donald Trump, you want to ride? Yes. Donald Trump's going to ride on the President Zebra Road Train car. All aboard? Here we go. Donald Trump gets around the President's Zebra Road Train car. Did you keep your hands on the Zebra Road Train car? Yep. Donald Trump over. How's the road train, Zebra Road Train, President car? But it's fun. I get to ride in the President of the United States of America. Now remember, if you ride the Airjet Zebra Road Train for votes on the United States of America or President of the United States, Donald Trump, it's very important to behave from Donald Trump. Now remember, be nice to Donald Trump and listen to instructions. Very nice. Alright, that's going to do it. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you put in comments, please put a like, bell, and subscribe to my channel. Before I sign off, I want to thank Donald Trump for doing a lot of subscribers to my YouTube channel. Anyway, I want to thank people for doing a lot of Airjet and Zebra Road Train, a lot of subscribers to my channel. Alright? Donald Trump, say hello. Hi, I'm Donald Trump. I get to ride the Airjet Zebra Road Train on the President Road Train car. That's very good. Alright, this is Sammy O'Gara, signing off. And I'll see you next week for more Sarah Road Train. About Airjet Sarah Road Train put down. I'll see you Road Train on the air. Sarah Road Train for more Airjet Sarah Road Train for Donald Trump. Bye.